Thank you for buying this sign holder from Fixture Displays. The part number is 14106-tag. It comes with the self-adhesive double-sided tape with a release liner. Peeling this off, you can stick this onto anything and to make a custom tag for identification purpose. You can also customize a smaller product, such as the beer tap handle that we sell. The part number is 14106. Dimensions is about 2 inches by 1 3/4 of an inch on outside dimensions. You want to take off the thickness of the material, which is 2mm material. And to get exact dimensions, look at the listing. There should be a picture showing the dimensions. You can put in as thick as 1mm or a little more, maybe 1/16 thick of cardstock in there. This is a quick and easy way to customize your product. Again, I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. The part number is 14106-tag. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.